Okay. We're here today, Saturday. Things are looking pretty good in the market already. I went ahead and put in the $1,000. So remember, some of us have more than 1,000 in there, but we're just practicing this trade method, and from there we see how powerful Bitcoin is. And today's Saturday. I put it in yesterday. I already made $50 on my investment, putting that $1,000 in there. So let's see how far we can go with this. And that's what a lot of us are basically trying to do right now. If you got more than 1,000, put more than 1,000 in there. This is just for fun. This is just to show, hey, you can make money on Bitcoin. Just not as much as you can make on day trading, but for those. Now everybody's doing the same stuff on Robinhood, on all these other trading apps that you have out there. They're doing long-term investments, which is not day trading. But if you open the platform on the desktop, you could do day trading. But you could also do it on the app too, and it does take some patience and knowledge of how to use the app. So it goes from there. But yeah, I put the money in there right now, and let's see what happens with that. Use the money to do some stuff, on the side. So let's get stuff going. I don't want to keep you here long. Check out my latest YouTube video. We're having another 7-day run for the money, what I just talked about right here, from 4/12, but I did start before that. And this, once again, we're starting on a Friday and going into a Saturday. Hey, well, to open up an account, Coinbase, questions, mrbitcoina@yahoo.com. Show your support, hit the like button, subscribe if you're a new viewer. And that's basically how it is. Also, I got other videos for tutorial reasons and understanding how to use Coinbase. What is a fork? What is the NFT, Fujibuild token? And also, we're going to be talking about some latest digital currencies that have come out recently. Just 2 weeks ago, I put some money in there. Well, let's go to it right now. Don't forget to Cash App me. Cash App is on the description on the video right there. Cash App, Samurai with the 3 eyes. And look at the portfolio today. That's the $1,000 I put in. Yesterday. Yeah. Oh, and I got a referral. Okay. I got $9.98 for a referral. And that's looking good. And bought Bitcoin. I put $985.32. So I see that a lot of people who said that. Okay, all right, I see where it happens. So I got a couple of clients who have not put $100 worth. You have to put $100 worth, then you'll receive that fee. So that's the $10 a day you could earn that I talk about. So I bought it right there, $9.85. Okay, we were at 1,000 117 yesterday. I put $1,000 in there, and now I got 2,208. There's numbers in this game. There's a powerful number of that I give consultation to on how to really make a lot of money on a weekly basis. Ethereum is looking good. Ethereum is going up. It's now at 2,200. Wow, look at that. Something went up. Something just blew up. Blew out of the roof. What? Okay, so if you're looking for what just happened, because okay, we're looking. So it looked like Ethereum, Bitcoin went up 20%, Ethereum went up 12%. No, that's all right. I'm just looking right here. I apologize. Yeah, this is what you go through over here when you're looking for. Let's go to prices and see what is going on there. Market is up 4.72% today on a Saturday. Reason why Saturdays always go up is because people are out there shopping, people are buying stuff, people are going on a little trip with their family, you know, the whole shebang. Ethereum is going up 2,156. Wrapped Bitcoin went up $60 to $60. Let's look at that. We see wrapped Bitcoin. Wow, so wrapped Bitcoin was $60. I think there's no more investors now. We're just going on transactions, and we're still, maker is 2,305. Get your maker. Year finances is in a negative, but it's okay. Yeah, so we see what's going on there. So we see why we're up that, because it just went down. The market, it just dropped from 11,000 to 10,983. All right, so today we're going to study on what is a bull or a bear market. Okay, now the market experienced sustained and or substantial growth are called bull market. Markets experience sustained or substantial decline are called bear market. So when the bull is up, when the shares are going up, because Coinbase is going to be an OP public on Wall Street very soon, and Coinbase, that is, and so you'll be able to trade, buy shares. And the bear is coming down. Bear means that it's going down, but the bear, don't think that the bear market, when it's going down, you are losing, but you could sell your shares, then buy the market going down and make money, because you're borrowing money. And then if that share keeps on falling, once you bring it back, you will get rewarded for selling the shares back, because you see that the shares now are lower. So I always use the street methodology of, you're fronted something, you take it, you double your money, and then you'll come back to pay what you were fronted. But now, instead of say you got $100 and you made $500 off that $100, and you're coming back to pay that $100, but now it's selling for $80, so you just pay the $80 and keep that $20 and your profit. That's an easy way to explain it. And the bull market is that you make a profit on it going up. All right, so check it out. So what is a bull market? A bull market or a bull run is defined as a period of time where the majority of the investors are buying, demand outweighs supply. So you see that market confidence is at a high. Okay, and what is the end of a bull market? Even during a bull market, there will be fluctuations, dips, and corrections along the way. All right, a bear market are defined as a period of time where supply is greater than demand. Okay, confidence is low and prices are falling. So that means that people are not buying because supply is greater. There's a lot of supplies out there and people are not buying. So that means market is going down. You guys know that. All right, this is just a review. Where did these bull and bear terms come from anyway? Like a lot of financial terms that originate aren't clear, but most people believe they derive from the way each animal attacks. Well, day trading has been around for centuries, since ancient time. It's nothing new. Gambling, betting, and finding some stocks, like animal stocks or precious golds or minerals, and in your area you have to sell it for cheap, but if you take it overseas you can sell it for more. There's trades has always been there. When there's a supply of a lot of stuff, the demand is not there. But when the demand is there, then you can sell for more because it's in a demand, and the cost and the time of making more of the product will take time, and you want to keep your supplies still handy. So now you know that there's a demand, so you can sell for more. So that's it for today with the bull or bear market right there. And let's see what Max Kaiser got to say today.
How you doing, Max Kaiser?
Oh, super. You're very excited. Another exciting week in Bitcoin land as Bitcoin takes over.
Right. So, of course, the title of this microdose is Microdosing Kevin O'Leary's Blood Coin. Of course, as Bitcoin, every time it enters a big bull market, there is a new wave of FUD, and we have FUD all the time. And this latest round is Kevin O'Leary refuses Bitcoin blood coin mined in China. Put simply, he said, institutions will not buy Bitcoin mined in China, coins that have been mined using coal to burn for electricity, or coins mined in countries with sanctions on them. He said there was now a significant demand for a virgin coin. O'Leary also said that in the next year or two, distinct classes of coins would emerge: blood coin from China and clean coin mined sustainably in countries that use hydroelectricity, not coal.
Yeah, I heard in China they're not accepting coins from blood coins that are mined in America.
Well, the point is that this is FUD. The fact is that in China, as The Guardian also this week has an article, China's vast Bitcoin mining empire risks derailing its climate targets, says study. The study finds that about 40% of China's Bitcoin mines are powered with coal, while the rest use renewables. Okay, it's during the rainy season that all of the miners head south, and that's where they get electricity costs for 1 cent a kilowatt hour, even free. So of course, Bitcoin miners are the fiercest, most competitive corporate, capitalist entities on Earth, and they're viciously, competing with each other for, and cost is the fundamental the thing that they're competing on. In China, southern China, during the rainy season, has the cheapest energy costs in the world. So it's not just, the mining rigs are there, but what you'll find, in fact, is that Americans, Europeans, Latin Americans, Asians, Africans are all investing in the mining pools that operate out of China. Those mining pools are funded by people all around the world. So this is just FUD, and the fact is that only 40% of China's Bitcoin mines used coal power. The rest are renewable, and that is rapidly increasing in terms of the renewables, because the coal stuff was mostly produced out of Inner Mongolia, and from April this month, Inner Mongolia has basically kicked out all of the Bitcoin miners because they needed to meet their renewable targets and in terms of how many carbon emissions they were allowed to have. So they've kicked them out, and all of those guys, including Bitmain, are moving to southern China where they have hydroelectric.
Yeah, Bitcoin changes you. You don't change Bitcoin.
So go check it out. A very important news right there on microdosing. Okay, talking about what's going on in Africa. I know that a lot of times when everybody goes to Africa to do business, they undermine the government and the authorities. Corruption is in the air. It's terrible. But, they say that's why America's the way it is, very strict with laws and everything, because Africa is like kind of laid back with its laws, but they do get you, and people do get caught breaking the rules and the laws in that country on trade and mining. So maybe something happened along the line on that part. I'm not sure. I'm allegedly saying it. And now they're headed to China. Let's see what happens. But in the meantime, check out my channel. Show your support. A lot of videos out there for you to get your education. What is cryptography? What is Ethereum? We also talk about different digital currencies, as you see. So get involved. Open up an account. Let's do another trial. We're gonna be having one. We do one every month, and we see what happened. We already made $100 today, $70. We basically made $80 today, because yesterday it was at 1,101. Today I'm at 2,202. So we see a lot of profits right there. So thanks for coming by. Show your support. Hit the like button, and